Nope. Come up to the front. Oh, that's what you do. Right down here. And then it's coming from the bottom. So
I wanted to show you our EUHOMY mini refrigerator and cooler. This can hold 126 cans in it. It has 4 adjustable shelves and it can get as cold as 32 degrees. And with the glass front, it's been fantastic sitting out here on our pool deck. And this is the second season we've had it. And it has been extremely reliable. It's got touch controls inside of the unit. So when it opens, hopefully you can see this. You can adjust the temperature there very easily. And it's just been a real workhorse for us. I'd give this a 5 out of 5. Hope that helps.
Les muestro cómo queda el refrigerador. Está la luz incluida y alusa más o menos bien, pero obstruye un poco la comida. La luz ahí no deja que pase la luz a las áreas de abajo, pero sí funciona más o menos bien.
okay, here is my in-spa refrigerator that I purchased on Amazon, and my clients absolutely love it. I keep it stocked for them so after their treatment they can help themselves. It's working great.
Well, I really like this refrigerator and the amount of storage it has. It's really loud. Can you hear it?
Here's my brand new fridge. Sounds like it's 20 years old. Yep, that's getting returned.
It's our fancy fridge for our office. It looks so professional.